It is time for another property tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. And today, y'all, we are at the hills of KINGSWOOD in Frisco, Texas. And this is a custom build by MONACO PINNACLE. They do a lot of custom luxury homes, and they also do remodeling. And if you haven't already, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and throw me that subscribe so I can keep doing these tours for y'all. And let's head inside. We are in, y'all. We are so in. I cannot wait to show y'all this custom build. It is absolutely immaculate. Greg and John always knock it out of the park with these builds. There's not one house where I'm like, it's okay. No, they always just absolutely blow me away with what they come up with. They are one of the best ultra luxury builders in DFW. And they've been doing a lot of work lately here in Frisco. And over here is the guest quarters. And this is still under construction. The inside's pretty much done for the most part. It's little things here and there need to be done, but it's enough to take a tour for sure. The backyard is still being complete, which we'll see. So this is the guest quarters. There was a dry bar over there with your garden tub and custom stand-up shower. And it's got the built-in holder for your shampoo and soap and all that. Custom walk-in closet. Could definitely put an island in here if you wanted to. Floating vanity with the under cabinet lighting. Vaulted ceilings. And let's head back out to the main area. And y'all, throw in the comments. Shout out to Chris. He's the owner, for letting us in. Show him our thanks. And y'all, a lot of these lighting fixtures that you see are imported from Morocco. Yes, Morocco. That is right. And y'all, this is the study. So it's in the middle of the staircase, which I love. It's got your vaulted ceilings. And behind me, there's that balcony piece. They're going to put that out there. So it has a little standing room for you to make phone calls and stuff. But yeah, here's a lighting fixture right there from Morocco. And we're going to continue to show the downstairs. I just wanted to show you that study area over there. And we have quite a few access points to get out of the house. So a lot of doors, modern doors that you'll see. And we have the wine cellar. Beautiful done job. Custom wood flooring with your prep kitchen. Has cabinet space. It has the sink, gas stove, refrigerator. Very nice prep kitchen. And right here, we have the pantry. And you can go out on the other side over there, which I'll show you here in a little bit. But lots of space for your food. Good tile backsplash. Your dry bar areas. Custom countertops. Custom appliances, Sub-Zero appliances. In your custom cooktop. And y'all, this is the Onyx wet bar. Look at that. You don't see that every day, y'all. Love the ceiling designs in this house. Feels so homey. Chris did a good job designing this. And kind of want to shut this real quick if I can. Hold on. So look at that. Totally hidden. Can't even see it. So we'll go in. And really, you can put whatever you want in here. Could be another pantry. Could be storage. Whatever you want. But it's a nice little area. Hidden area. And we have our glass windows. That's our second staircase right there. With the stair lighting. Vaulted ceilings. Custom lighting fixtures. And a gas fireplace. And those doors do slide open, y'all. And everyone's favorite, another wet bar. And it's my favorite too. I like it when the media room is downstairs. So they chose to put the media room down here, which I like a whole lot. Custom carpet. And wired for surround sound, of course. Nice ceiling design. And your personal LA Fitness or Lifetime. He already has the TV in there. He's ready to go, y'all. I swear. And as you can see, he already has his custom speakers up there because he's ready to jam out, y'all. Him and his family. Ready to get after it in the gym. We want these gains. We need these gains, y'all. And this is the pool bath. And I guess you definitely use it for, after you work out if you need to. But it is a half bath. And let's come back out here. So yeah, this is the main living area, y'all. But it also has that living area out there as well. So you can really pick which one you want. And we have a garage bay right here with the mudroom. And let's go over here, y'all. We're gonna try to go back to the master bedroom. So the master's over here on the other side of the house. And I love these doors they added, y'all. Triple doors right here. There's the pool I was talking about. And let's head into the master bedroom. Look at that. Still building. They're going to put those up on the wall, obviously. But these owners, y'all, have great taste. They did an excellent job. That fireplace over there turns different colors as well, so it's a very awesome, unique job that they did with that. And here's the master bath. Double floating vanities. Custom backsplash. His and hers closets, and this is his closet. He has way too much room in here, y'all. And that is for a safe over there. That little closet area. I'm trying to turn these lights on for y'all so you can see a little bit better. And we have the garden tub. And the stand-up custom shower. And her closet, y'all. Holy smokes, one of the best closets I've seen. That is beautiful, y'all. And the washer and dryer over there. There is a ton of room in this closet. Fully custom. Jewelry drawers, makeup area. And let's head back out to the main area. And y'all, I'm gonna let the music play here for a little bit so you can kind of enjoy everything that we're looking at. And I'll come back on here in a little bit.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Yo, get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound. Hitting that stuff till you hearing
Music
that sound.
licensing reimagined.
Hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
And I'm back, y'all, on the mic. And let's head outside. So we have a covered patio, wired for those tunes. Look at this, y'all. Beautiful. We'll go back here in the yard in a second. But yeah, there's the pool. Water's being put in soon. And we have the double-sided fireplace with the outdoor kitchen. Custom grill. They did a fantastic job, y'all. Cannot wait to see it fully complete. And I just want to thank y'all for tuning in to today's property tour, brought to you by MONACO PINNACLE at the hills of Kingswood in Frisco, Texas. Please be sure to smash that like and subscribe button so we can inform others on MONACO PINNACLE's awesome, uniquely styled builds. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.